Okay, back now with the final tutorial. One thing that I just want to tell you though is you'll have a different thing to the scripts thing, and that was stopping one particular thing from working. And if you want to make it look better, you can include the CSS file and images file and all that. But zooming into the thing, there should also be like arrows sort of down here as to left and right, so you can index along the images. But yeah, just see if you can find out how to suit that out yourself. It's probably just the images or CSS that isn't in there, but functionality wise this works enough. Yeah, so anyway, back to what we were doing, the discount page. So we need to add a discount ASPX page. So close that, and we're just gonna head 187. We'll just zoom through this, because I think by now you should know what I'm all about. So head. Okay, so there you go, that's all the scripts you need. And then body tag down here, and then div tag. Here we are. Okay, and then we need to change the additional attributes. Okay, so there you go. So get image URL. This is just an extension method on the products. So yeah, we've done that so it can find the ID and so forth. Now in the CS thing, we need to find two global things as we did before. So here we go. Just go discount that, and then declare these two global. And then in the page load, put this. Okay. Then three methods you're going to need. Oh, I haven't bothered doing what I did before and writing them out. That's good enough. And for the back click, and for the OK click. Okay. Okay, so in a nutshell, what I've done here is it gets the query string. You need to run this method though, because it reloads it, and sometimes it can have %22 on it, or just a dash or something, so it's not a integer. And then you pass that, and then go from here. You get the product update, which you're going to update, and it fills in the grid view, which is all the items which are for sale, like on less money. Load project, so it gets all the values and puts them in here, name and all that. Then get sale item, so that's basically getting all the items that are in the grid view down here. From here it clears them. Back button, don't know, so that. OK button, so that saves and confirms them. Okay, I'll just show you how it works. Go create item. This one it's currently being sold for $99. The format isn't right there, sort of thing. But yeah, so we're going to put it for 50. Then click OK, and now it's up at 50. Now the reason that you need to do that thing with the product ID, the query string, when you click here, it'll have that quotation mark there or something different sometimes. So what you got to do, I think when it's going through the system, it's ASCII value. So you needed to do that page load thing here. That's what this is, basically stopping it from crashing. And yeah, so if you put 0 here and click OK, it's not for sale anymore. But I'll just go through. So it's, say, $50, right? We'll set it to that. That's what it's for. Now, back. Okay, create item order. Okay, it's 49% off. Usually $99. That's the sale thing. Okay. I think there might just be something missing. Okay. Discounts. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I've done some code on the back button, just if it contains discount. So if it's the same pattern, go to create product. That's what that's doing. Okay. That's basically the end of the lesson. I'm not entirely sure, to be honest with you, what I'm going to be doing next. I think basically it'll might be the reviews. I'm leaning towards that. I'm going to have a user control, which will mean that you won't have to code as much. And but it's something that I haven't actually tried out before, so it'll be a while till I get it up. And B, yeah, basically it'll be a lot easier once I do. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this has been useful. See you next time.